Hello everybody, it's me Viking George, and today I'm going to make a tutorial. Yeah, it's for Windows, I know. I said I'm not returning to Windows. Well, it doesn't mean I'm not using Linux. I am. I just decided to do a quick tutorial on how to do something which could interest you quite a lot if you want to have a free um, Avowed Spotify version without paying any money. Alright, so the first step is download the old version of Spotify from File Hippo 1.0.8 Spotify Windows. You type it in here. You gotta find it. You need to find the last version. Like it's like that. It's 1.0.8. And whenever you download that version, I actually have it on my computer. It's in my downloads folder. I can put this, upload it in the description. Wait, let me. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna put that file uploaded to Google in the description in Google Drive, and you'll be able to download it. Once you download it, you install it as it is, like nothing else. Don't like close Spotify afterwards. What you're gonna need to do is add the hosts to the host file, the host entries you type in here, Spotify host file. All right. You're gonna come here, not these first, these, yeah, these. Your Spotify is going to be completely functional. Like I just have to refresh it. There we go, and I can see like you just have to click it once if you want, and but everything else is gonna be like there we go. You can play basically any song, and you have your friend activity. As you can see, I have no ads. And I'm gonna show you that. You're not gonna have any ads while I play songs, and it's not gonna stop you from doing anything. But the Spotify is going to update itself, and whenever it updates, yeah, you're still gonna block the ads, but there's some misfunctionality in the new versions when you block these addresses. So you will not be able to play basically every song that you want, and you will be um, like you won't be able to. You need to uninstall it and downgrade to the old version. I did that a couple of times, but then I thought, hey, why don't I just go to the directory of Spotify where it just stores the update package? Well, this is for you then. All right. So to stop Spotify updates on Windows, you need to do this percent app data percent. Come here. Now go back to app data. Don't go in roaming. Go to local. You're gonna see Spotify here. Open Spotify. All right. By default, you're not gonna see an update folder unless there is an update available. Alright, don't wait for the update to come. Make a folder called update. Alright, just like this. I won't be opening this. This is an empty folder. You won't be able to delete it after every of the changes that I suggest. So you have to come here. As you can see, it requires administrative rights, but even administrators cannot manage it, not even the system. So if you're planning to remove Spotify, this directory is just gonna remain. But you're gonna come here to well, not to properties. Wait, yeah, properties. Gonna come to yeah, it's read only. You can make it hidden, but I don't really think it's needed. You're not gonna come here anyways. Come to security tab, and for all of your users here, you come on edit. I have allow and stuff like that on myself. I don't know why, but like I have administrators. So like if you like for special permissions and stuff like that, yeah, just keep it on deny. You can enable these, but I don't really suggest that. You can keep it for your user, but just for the administrators. But if you're using a power user, like you're a smart person to make your profile as a power user and keep a separate one for administrator, it's gonna make your life easier. But I'm too lazy to do that. then just do it for your own account as well. And deny full control on the folder. Yeah, the system has all these as well modified, so the system cannot write anything. So if you try to open it, it says you don't have permission to access this folder. If you say continue, it's going to say you've been denied, and you press close. So nothing can access this folder, and Spotify is not going to update because the folder already exists. It cannot rewrite the folder. It cannot, basically, it cannot um, do anything with the folder. It cannot delete it. Like, I'm gonna show you how you cannot delete the folder. I forgot. Like, you come here, you do wait, Control A, update percent, and you're gonna come here like cool, and you go back to Spotify, and if you try to delete it, it's gonna say, yeah, he's gonna say continue, and you say you require permission from desktop blah 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 blah, blah to make changes to this folder. You cannot. So it cannot delete the update folder, and from there the updates of Spotify stop. So you're gonna keep on this version. You're not even gonna see the blue thingy here, which is the annoying part, and you're just gonna keep on the cracked version of Spotify on your computer. As for your phone, whether it's Android or macOS, you need to find an application like for Android, Spotify cracked APK, and you're just gonna download one of these. They're gonna work most likely. And as for iOS, I'm not sure, I've never used an iPhone, but you're just gonna say iOS Spotify cracked, and you're just gonna um, yeah, Spotify plus plus and get it. You can do these. I suspect you, yeah, Tuto app and stuff like that. You know how to do that on your iPhones. Anyways, I've never used iPhone, so I'm just saying for Android. I know how it works there. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please make sure to share it with your friends who want to use Spotify for free, and enjoy your day or evening or whatever it is. For me here is evening, as you can see the clock. Um, So yeah, this was a very very short video. I made it long, sorry. It was not as complicated as you thought. It's just some simple clicks. You don't even have to really type anything except for the Google part where you just go. And as for the host file, if I forgot to mention that, you know how to import the stuff in your host file. Go to C, Windows, System 32, drivers. Where's drivers? etc, and you see the host file. You're just gonna open it with Atom. For me, it's Atom. For you can do Notepad++, whatever program you want, and you just put your addresses here like I did, and you just save it. If you cannot save it to your desktop, then move it here, and you're gonna be able to enjoy Spotify without ads on the computer. However, there is no easy way to remove the upgrade button on Spotify, or at least I haven't found it out. Um, so this is the only way to block updates. Don't use any third-party programs that are gonna start on startup and stuff like that. It's gonna be kind of a bloatware. Like, people don't even know this method. I just tried it out and it works very well. Yeah, I made it up. It's nothing that I looked up on the internet, so you're not gonna see it anywhere else. Okay, guys, thanks for watching and peace out. See you next time.